My name is Dre, you know, Adrian, Andre, Cobourine, isn't that say?
You said that body's for the taking. Come and give it to a real born Jamaican. Make you get wild, baby girl.
Come from Jamaica, born and raised in a Kingston, Fetchers land, you know, big up to Valley.
Pretty girls, rep a pretty gang, fucking with the kiddo.
So when did you start dancing?
I started dancing like at the age of 5, start doing Harlem Shakes, but hip hop was my thing. Back in Jamaica, hip hop was my thing, not dancehall. But recently I started picking up dancehall like 13, 14, all of that, yeah.
When did you recognize that you had become a online star?
On Dancing Dynamite.
Mm-hmm.
Dancing Dynamite.
Well, talk about that coming in when you were in your part of Dancing Dynamite.
Yeah.
What was the group?
What was the group? First group was Nah Laugh Skankers, big up on yourself. The second group was Eclipse.
Mm-hmm.
Eclipse from Linstead, Charlie Mount, anyways, big up yourself. The third group.
A 3-time into Dancing Dynamite?
No, it was like it was.
You didn't enter before card unit?
No, after.
Oh.
After. And then I joined with PHILLIPS Skankers. You know what I say? Big up on yourself. Packer, Van, Brother Shane. You know, Fearless. But I used to be like the not really in it, but as a backup.
So what video would you say allowed you to go viral? What was the video today that you said, yeah, this video I will really put me on the map and make people recognize me?
That video, I think you put it up too. That remix with Salty. And that girl in the alley. No, she gotta bend over.
Yeah.
Pause like a mannequin, you see me say? Let me do my thing and everything, but I just get up one night and I say, you know what, I'm gonna just remix this. I'm gonna just go dance to this.
Okay.
Show my waistline.
To my favorite DJ Manny. Bro, what up though?
Yeah, sit down so to this son. How did you march for the girl? You ready?
So in terms of standing out among every other dancer, like what make you decide to, yo, let me do this where probably nobody else really can do like how me do it and make me stand out and develop like such a fan base from the thirsty female then?
You know, the thirsty female asks for it. I'm like a man who can whine. Them hardly see a man come on like, on social media doing the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
So I rather do the opposite, like something's not up there yet.
Yeah.
Just do it. Because a lot of guys who doing this, all these videos and all of this, they be texting me, yo, you inspire me.
Yeah.
You make me start doing this.
Yeah.
I get that a lot. So I just keep on continuing doing it. A lot of girls be,
Speaking of that, how are you dealing with the high vaginal attention that has been thrown at you because of your online presence? Does it affect your personal life? Do you just decide say you're going to just be a whore and just catch them all like?
No, well, I know that was back in Jamaica, you see me I say?
When I'm between the sheets,
Oh, so you're a whore back in Jamaica?
Back in Jamaica, you see me I say?
But now you're saying you're saint and sanctified.
Saint and sanctified. I'm settled down now, you see me I say? Because, you know, I want to catch them no fear catch, you see?
Okay.
You see me I say? You know them girls over here?
Oh yeah, them carry a bag of things.
No, you really carry none of that, you know. But quick for say and breed for you, you know?
Oh, you ain't singing in up on Maury. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry,
no, it good.
Alright. You know? Child support. Easily.
Okay.
Especially Jamaican American then.
Okay. Question. Kartel or Vendetta? Kartel or Alka?
Okay,
That's Christ. That's Christ.
Mention Vendetta right now.
That's Christ.
Man, that just a come up, man. I'm team.
So if Alkaline team for a league right now and say, yo, video shooting a man, and them just say, yo, you're the ideal person, a man, like the thing with that up. International video shoot setting. Rihanna got in there.
Money. What's money night they have to take it? I heard about a cartel.
When you say Alkaline shoot out and say, yo, international music video.
Well,
and
if
you
pay me, I pay me.
Yeah.
Can't put things in a
professional.
business, you see, I do my thing. Want me at the video? I go do it.
Them talk about me like every day.
Okay, so what you say is your favorite dance right now, your favorite dance move right now that you see going on that trending in Jamaica right now?
Oh damn, I say him call it cool as dance go. Oh damn, here
you go.
Boom, boom, damn. Cool as reaching and you get yourself in a cool as. Oi.
In terms of support, like from the industry, have you ever received like, you know, any endorsement from like celebrities, people like probably want you to be a part of their music video?
Well, you know, you have Mix Pack. He's the one who put me in Conscious video. Don't worry.
The way you make me feel when I'm inside of you, I know this must be real, and I just wanna tell you, girl, don't worry.
And I was in Beenie Man and this Spanish girl. I think me and Roddy Rich was in that video. I was back in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And other mostly Conscience right now.
Yeah.
Recently I did a video with this girl, that's a dancer, because yourself, dancer queen in New York, in Brooklyn. You see what I say? But in New York she bad. Nah, tell her life, you're a little short girl, she bad.
Any message to anybody that that would like to probably stand out online, that would want to take them career to a different level in terms of dancing, and want to like capture people? Any advice to them?
Well, dancing not everybody. I just take the right person for bring it out. You see what I say? This is somebody like me now, inspire you guys, and well, me I appreciate the love, we appreciate the support, and we love them, love my fans them. You see what I say? From day one, from used to call me Babylon in Jamaica, in a half a tree, limelight. Me used to have the highest mohawk in Jamaica. You see what I say? With the white contacts and everything. But just keep doing what I do. Now tell yourself so you can do. You see what I say? Because if me did listen to other people say, yo, you're not gonna reach this, you're not gonna more than reach where I'm dead now. You see what I say? And a lot of people say, yo, what? Him this, him that. You know Jamaican still. You reach a foreign, you say you do this, you say you do that. But keep my mind from the dancing and do what I have to do. Really give a fuck. You see what I say?
Yeah.
If me not have haters, me not say nothing. So you know me I say? If we just brush it off and move on. Same goes for you guys. You see me I say? But they say, yo, oh, you can't dance? Yeah. Go home, practicing on the bathroom. You see me I say? Going on the mirror. Watch my video over and over.
Instagram page, them sit down and I pray. Now click like, but I follow back on me.
So if not dancing, what do you think you would be doing? What kind of profession or what kind of art do you think you would be pursuing?
I want to say art, like sports.
Okay.
To play football.
Oh, what a screamer!
Football is my thing. Back in Hive High School, big up yourself. You know what I say? Mr. Bennett, Mrs. Bennett. Yeah.
Your favorite position, sink in your back.
Where you see yourself like in the next 5 years?
Well, next 5 years, I mean next 2 years, I got big, you know. Next 2 years, I make it 5, that too long. You see me I say? Make it next 2 years. Well, you know, my little kids that might come up. I got 2 daughters. You see me I say? 1 on the way.
You've been busy?
Yeah! Yeah, things kind of happen, but you know.
From the same vagina?
Yeah, the same vagina. You see what I say?
Okay.
No, man, no, hold on, man. My daughter back in Jamaica still.
Oh.
First daughter.
Oh, from a different pokey, okay.
Yeah, from a different pokey.
Okay.
Now, pokey here. I mean, you dip on the way. You see what I say? You have to keep it.
So Jamaican pokey?
No, man.
It's a Caucasian?
No, man,
Indian?
Asian.
Oh.
She's a Haitian.
Okay, still Caribbean.
So I say, oh yo.
Oh.
But now tell her like Haitian girl, I'm the best girl. But now lie still.
Oh jeez, you know, so you're gonna get cussing about that. You're gonna get cussing. What's so good?
Come second.
What is so good about the Haitian? Is that them.
Them have a crazy woman like it, man. Them not soft. Them. You see me?
You say that them better in a bed than the Jamaican girl, them? Oh, Jesus.
I don't know them. I don't know. Them kind of...
Oh,
I don't know, something.
Jamaican ladies in the year that if you step up in the game, the Asian girl never come for no.
You see me? I say the Asian never go on bad.
I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime.
So tell the people them like what you do and how to get at you, because I'm sure you the promotions and all of these things, so people want to reach out to you and link you, get you probably host parties and stuff. Like tell them how them can reach you. Yeah, your social media, if you have email, who for contact.
Instagram is Cobourine. It's C-O-B-O-U-R-I-N-E. C-O-B-O-U-R-I-N-E. That's my Instagram. My Facebook is Andre C-O-B-O-U-R-I-N-E. Same thing. Andre Cobourine. So just DM me, message. My number is on Instagram.
If you can't broke it off, hasta la vista,
Ask question, what's the most interesting message that you've ever received from a fan that probably make it feel like, yo, draw back, I'm gonna probably go run the carry the phone for go give a friend. So go say, yo, look what me just get a while ago.
Well, most question never ever received is like this mother, her daughter she want a nice boyfriend for her daughter, so she offered me hold on. She offered me $25,000 to be with her daughter.
Wow.
And be a child, be a father of a child. Okay, is it me I say?
Big man thing?
Big man.
Them something I mean in real life?
Big man thing.
And a real life some of this.
Well, she said I have to go marry her and everything, just live a happy life with her daughter. She want to make her daughter happy, and her daughter obsessed with me. I'm not gonna lie, she obsessed. And every video I put up, she always there.
So you know, say if the daughter is of age, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's 22.
Oh, so okay. Well, at least you know, say if push come to shove, you know, so there's always a reliable vagina awaiting.
But well, me can't do them sinner, because you know the Asian girl, them crazy. She kill me. She kill me. Right now, I know say I get some cussing after that she see that video.
Oh,
well, I mean, give her
25, yo.
25 G's, you know, but
you could have run in and cut out like a month after and still get the money. Cause
money comes and goes. You know, look on that already. I pass that already. You see me I say? Money comes and goes. I don't really give two shit about money. You see me I say?
Well, mommy, I saw the thing go. Share. I saw the thing go.
Yeah, but you know, I still talk to her and everything, because her daughter kind of got you a little, you know, with some fucked up niggas, you know.
Oh, say that they give you a helping and a little shoulder for cry pan.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like advice so she can't go kill herself. You see me I say?
Alright, well that's it. Thanks for the conversation.
Big up Campbell.
Yeah man. High as a morpho.
Woyoy.
It's crazy.
Intricate enough. You know, say big up.
Oh yeah. Okay. Big up who you want, big up. No, I like people that need for big up.
You know, say the whole gang, K-Star, Marlon, Popsy, Charger. You know, say Intricate, Spinal. Big up the whole gang. You see me I say? Big up the queen, she know herself. You see me I say? I'm not put her out there yet. Yeah. But yeah, big up yourself.
Marvin can't put on the case, why I can't put her out? Put her out the road, man. So she gonna feel away now. She gonna feel away now.
Me Marvin look.
She gonna feel a little way now. So she wanna be like Marvin and Nikisha now.
She not like the excitement. She not like the excitement.
I saw you saying and then two twos now, the two are in a matching outfit and them some the two.
No man, she not like the excitement.
Okay.
You know.
Alright.
But anyways, big up That's Dancer. Big up DJ Slaughter. Oh, you're in that. Man.
Yo, practice